I have a Hyundai Elantra here. This one got hit in the back and it's getting a new rear body panel. This is all crushed in here. You can see how all this is pushed in. This taillight pocket is rolled right here. And same thing on this side. So I went ahead and I put the new trunk lid on already. And I'm gonna make a couple light pulls back here just to roughly pull out this damage. And then I will go ahead and get this rear body panel cut off and I'll start fitting up the new one. So I got this one all fit together, and I got the trunk lid and the tail lights all fitting and lining up good. You can see the gaps are nice and consistent and even on both sides, and it's shutting and latching and sealing good. I actually just tied a piece of wire to the safety latch to get it to release, so it's easy to open and close during fitment. But this one is ready to weld together, so I'm going to pull the lights back out and I'm going to get this one all welded on.